Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this review, including those to inventory source and related resources, are available in the description below. This review reflects my personal experience using the platform. Inventory Source is a robust dropshipping automation platform designed to connect online retailers with a vast network of suppliers. It streamlines various crucial aspects of dropshipping, including product integration, inventory management, and order fulfillment. This makes it a particularly attractive option for entrepreneurs aiming to optimize their time and concentrate on business growth. Inventory Source is especially well-suited for efficiently scaling dropshipping operations. A key strength of Inventory Source lies in its direct supplier integrations. The platform boasts connections with over 230 pre-integrated suppliers, providing access to a diverse product catalog spanning numerous categories such as electronics, apparel, home goods, and much more. You can easily navigate the supplier directory to identify products and suppliers that perfectly align with your niche market and target audience. The platform's powerful automation capabilities are a significant advantage for users. Once you establish a connection with a supplier, Inventory Source automatically synchronizes essential product data with your e-commerce store. This data includes product titles, descriptions, images, pricing, and inventory levels. By automating this process, Inventory Source eliminates the tedious manual work of uploading and updating product listings, which saves considerable time and minimizes the risk of errors. Order fulfillment also becomes significantly more streamlined with the full automation plan. Inventory Source automatically routes orders directly to the appropriate supplier and provides real-time tracking information updates. This hands-off approach ensures smooth and efficient operations, allowing you to dedicate more time to marketing efforts and providing excellent customer service. For those utilizing the inventory automation plan, you still gain the advantages of automated inventory and product updates. However, order processing remains a manual task. Inventory Source supports seamless multi-channel integrations, connecting with popular e-commerce platforms such as Shopify, WooCommerce, BigCommerce, Amazon, and eBay. This multi-channel functionality empowers you to manage all your sales channels from a single, centralized interface, simplifying the process of expanding your business presence across various platforms. While Inventory Source offers a powerful suite of tools, it's important to consider its pricing structure, which is based on the chosen plan and the desired level of automation. The cost might initially seem substantial to some entrepreneurs, however, the time saved and the increased operational efficiency often justify the investment. In summary, Inventory Source presents a compelling solution for dropshipping entrepreneurs seeking a comprehensive automation platform. It facilitates connections with a wide range of suppliers, synchronizes inventory efficiently, and streamlines order fulfillment. The combination of its extensive supplier network, robust automation features, and multi-channel integrations makes it a dependable platform for scaling your dropshipping business. Be sure to check the links in the description to explore Inventory Source further and determine if it aligns with your specific dropshipping objectives. This review should provide valuable insights to help you decide if Inventory Source is the right tool to empower your business.